The BBMRI ERIC Negotiator helps you connect directly with researchers requesting samples and data from your biobank. You will get an email whenever someone sends your biobank a sample request. Then log into the Negotiator to view all requests your biobank has received, including any unread messages, and you can choose to ignore or archive a request. Or open it up to view all details and respond. Under Request Status, you can indicate whether you can help on behalf of the biobanks you represent. If you have a query about the request, you can use the one-on-one chat function, or send a request-wide chat, which will be viewed by all representatives of the involved biobanks, the researcher, and the BBMRI moderators. You will get notifications when the researchers respond by updating the requests. There are statuses that cover every stage right through to receipt of samples and data. At the top of the screen, you can also view favorite, archived, and ignored requests. Any questions? We have a team across Europe that is ready to assist you with any and all questions. Just write to negotiator@helpdesk.bbmri-eric.eu and we'll help you use the Negotiator to streamline your request process.